everyone. So I've got this Azure Beauty Dip Kit. This is from Model Ones. So it's a bit big to fit on camera. So I've got to try and show you it without sort of moving out of shot. So obviously you don't need an LED lamp with this because it's a dip kit. So I'm just going to turn it over because there's some information on this side. So it's got the cruelty-free symbol there, that's what we want. And I'm just having a look at the other stuff on there. So yeah, when I was saying it was Model Ones, it's not Model Ones. Model Ones do sell this. It's part of their range, but it's a different, you know, it's a different company. It's a different company name. So they've got, you know, their own website and things. So I'm going to open this. It has got a bit bashed because this has come all the way from China, I think. So it's got bashed on its way here. So the box is a bit squashed. I'm just going to open it. As you can see, everything in the box is okay. I can get all that on there. Quite a big box. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 big containers full of dip powder, and then we've got these are really big bottles of liquid. So there's Bond, Base, Activator, Top. And what's this one? And Brush Saver. So that's good because that's going to clean your brushes. There are instructions in here as well. Okay, so obviously with this kit you would use the Bond first and then the base, and then it's asking you to do a coat of clear before you do your colour coat. So obviously each coat needs a coat of base, and then you dip it into your powder, whether that's clear or your colour one, and then after that your activator, and then your top when you're all happy with it. So yeah, that all makes sense. But it's good to have all the big pictures, and you know that's really set out really good, so you can read that properly. So I've got a file. Oh no, that's a buffer because that's 600 grit and 3000 grit, so that's a buffer, not a file. This is the file. There. And you've got cuticle oil. And you've got an orange wood stick there. And then there's this really nice dusting brush. So that is really soft, that's lovely, that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the powders out, the liquids out, and I'm going to start just by swatching all of the colours so that you can see what they look like with 3 coats of each on. Okay, so here they are all together, and I really like that baby pink colour, that's gorgeous, but I like the purple as well, and then that glittery one. It's like you could sort of probably use that over the others. Say if you just put one coat of it on, just have it, you know, because it's really translucent, that one. It's a really nice pink colour. So yeah, that is really good for a dip kit. I love those colours that you get with that there. Yeah, and I'll try and do a design with these at some point. I can't do it just yet, but I'll probably do it in a future video. But yeah, that's what these look like, and yeah, I'm really happy with them. I would be happy to use these, definitely that purple one. That's the like sort of the smoothest one. That's really nice. I really love the way that that went on. That's got a bit of a different consistency than the others. It's a lot smoother. So yeah, and I love the fact that you get the big containers of the powder, and you get the big liquids as well, because that means you can do loads of nail sets with these and you're not just stuck with doing one or two. So yeah, would definitely recommend these. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.